Today we have the Gigabyte M28U on F07 firmware versus the Samsung Odyssey G7 1013.2 firmware. Hi friends and welcome to Viktors Reality. Today I'm going to be showing you Street Fighter 3 on these two amazing monitors, showing you that the F07 firmware on the Gigabyte M28U has increased the brightness drastically, and it takes this monitor to the next level. So let's get into it. So friends, from my observations with the Gigabyte M28U on F07 firmware, the brightness has increased tremendously. It's brighter than the G50A, G70A, and G7 32-inch as you can see here in this video. The M28U has an awesome black equalizer option compared to various monitors, except that the local dimming is really slow on the M28U, and you'll be able to see that in my next video, as I will show the M28U versus the G50A, G70A, and this G7. And this is a really colorful game and a fast game. Fast transitions, I would say. So I wanted to show you this video. And the thing is, with the G7, I have it on cinema preset. I didn't have it on custom because I wanted to show you the most picture pop, as it's a VA versus IPS in this video. But what I've always said with the M28U and G70A is that the black equalizer makes it VA-ish, makes it next-gen IPS technology. I've always said that, and I'm showing you here video proof that the G7, with its amazing and best-in-class VA panel, the M28U and the G70A with their Interlux panels are amazing, and it gets us close to that contrast, perceived contrast depth of the picture. As you can see, the color here in the reds is popping, and that's because of the brightness. You can see right here. Also, look at the brightness difference. The M28U is brighter. Right now, the G7 is rated at 350 nits, while the M28U is rated at 300 nits. This is from Rtings.com. I'm telling you, friends, the M28U's brightness is above 450 nits sustained. I would even go as far to say 500 nits in sustained brightness. But we still have issues with the local dimming transitions, as it's still very slow on the M28U versus the other panels. Again, friends, I don't know if this is a glitch, but I did update it to F07, and the first thing I noticed was, oh my goodness, it is so bright. What did I do? Maybe I was running a glitch through a splitter, maybe it was just connecting two monitors, maybe it was a setting that was stuck, something was wrong. So what I did was I hard reset the monitor. I even disconnected everything overnight just to see if maybe something was stuck. And you know how I do it. I go through all my other monitors, testing, playing. So I eventually got back to the M28U, and this is still the results. It is still super bright. It's one of the brightest panels that I have right now. That's why I'm saying, friends, when you see reviews out there, a lot of times they test it once and that's it. You can't take all those reviews that serious because no one really updates the monitor and then retests everything on a per monitor level. Maybe they do a couple, but not everything. And I would say the M28U with its black equalizer with this brightness increase is better than the G70A and even G7. But the problem is the slow local dimming, that it cannot overtake those two monitors. And even though you do see an amazing picture and the brightness and the contrast, everything is there on the M28U, it might bug you, that blooming slowish transition effect. And that was on prior firmware versus this firmware. I mean, I own the monitor, I don't care, I'm gonna play it, I'm still gonna use it. I'm probably going to use this for retro gaming. As you can see, these fighting games are pinpoint and spot on. The contrast, the brightness, this easily overpowers anything I got going on in my room. As you can see the RGB in the background. And you're probably going to laugh. This would probably be an amazing kitchen monitor TV, Fire TV stick, Apple TV kind of a thing, because it's so bright and so colorful and so much contrast that it'll overpower your lights in your kitchen. Once you open the windows and you see all that light from the sun, this would easily overpower it. Now the speakers aren't anything to brag about, but if you get some speakers and you add it to this monitor, meaning I think that's what I'm gonna do. I know it sounds funny, but it's true. I use all these monitors for different things, and this is a perfect 4K 28-inch media streaming console playing monitor. And the reason why I say for PC it's okay, it's because with the PC, I would say PC people are more hardcore. They're more prone to seeing these kind of blooming things. I mean, I could only imagine what Fortnite would look like when you're transitioning and those are really impactful bright images. That might be an issue, and maybe I'll get to that in another video. I'll play some Fortnite on it on the PC. because I can probably see that becoming an issue. But here just showing some Street Fighter so you guys can get an overall idea of how awesome and how bright the M28U is. Friends, again, when I do these versus videos, there is a perceived winner. It's up to you to decide if you want one or the other. I'm just showing you the differences as I've been able to see them because I get all these monitors and I want to show you the differences to help you make an awesome buying decision. I'm not trying to make you pick one or the other. I'm just giving you the info and you can make up your mind. So friends, thanks for watching. If you guys want to see more of these kinds of videos, please hit that subscribe button and please hit that like, as more people will see this and it'll help the channel tremendously. So guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time.